Good morning, clear. The Sunrise Hotel is what they hear. Marco Vega calls the manager, please. They ask his name, he spells with ease. Vega, that's the way. Marco waits to talk, now what to say? Phone in hand, don't be shy. Mr. Carter, hello. My oh my. Lin Chen calls, afternoon light-eyed. City English school, that sounds polite. The director, Laura Blake, please. They spell her name by degrees. Lin space CHEN, clear and slow. She's not in her office, what to do today? Leave your number, China code 886. Thank you, goodbye, polite and quick. Business card in your pocket tight. Name and number, fax, email right. Role play now, take a turn. Telephone English you will learn. Spell your name, ask for the boss. Sorry, not in, not a loss. Leave a number and the call